Hey everyone. Well, this is such an honor. Volleyball is a team sport, so any accomplishment of mine really is a mix of my teammates, my parents, and my coaches. First off, I really want to thank my parents. You quite literally went to the ends of the earth to drag me to practices, find opportunity for me to grow, and most importantly, you absorbed all my emotional highs and lows along the way, many venting sessions. I'm endlessly grateful. I also want to thank Smitty, Steph, Bridget, Mr. Barth, Yamo, Jaron, and Mr. Mullen, and all of the staff and coaches that have poured all their energy into this program, who stayed late, listened to our school gossip, heartbreaks, mostly about bad test scores, or lost games, and still created a space where we could build something really meaningful together. And I want to thank my teammates for really buying into the mission and for making some of the most fun and supportive friends I could have asked for at the time. It honestly feels a little surreal to be here because when I started, I really did just want to have fun and play at the highest level I could and just be with my teammates. I couldn't have imagined NorCal semifinals, junior nationals, playing in college, and as I've grown up, I've realized that Harker is a place where if you put your heart into something, there are so many passionate coaches, teachers, and staff that just open doors for you that you didn't even know existed. And that's exactly what happened for me all the way to Yale. So thank you. And thank you to my friends.
What a great class. How about one more round of applause for this group?